What's your favorite color?
Mama.
What color is your shirt?
Tail.
What? What color is mommy's shirt?
Purple.
Paw print. That's not a color.
Purple shirt.
Purple, right. Can you sing Sha-La-La? Can you sing Brown Eyed Girl to Grandpa?
No.
No? Can you count 20 for Grandpa?
No.
No? You say bye-bye, I love you, Grandpa? Say bye-bye, Grandpa, I love you.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Grandpa. Bye-bye, Grandpa.
Say,
Bear.
I love you.
I love you. Fish. Eating.
You're gonna finish eating?
Yeah.
Alright. Talk to you later.
Go for it.